Good morning, welcome to the 𝗔𝗟 TV discussion platform. Today we discusses about statistics, meaning, importance, frequency distribution, and graphic representation of data. Introduction. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of statistics, a tool that helps us make sense of the world through numbers. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just curious, this quick guide will walk you through the meaning of statistics, why it matters, how to organize data using frequency distribution, and how to visualize it using graphs like histograms and frequency polygons. Let's get started. What is statistics? Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data. Imagine you are surveying 100 students about their favorite subject. The raw answers are just data. But when you organize and analyze them, that's statistics in action. It helps us answer questions like, what's the average score in a class? How many people prefer online learning? Is there a pattern in rainfall over the years? In short, statistics turns information into insight. Importance of statistics. Why is statistics so important? In education, it helps track student performance. In business, it guides decisions on sales and marketing. In healthcare, it helps analyze treatment outcomes. And in government, it shapes policies using census and survey data. It's also the backbone of research, forecasting, and quality control. Without statistics, we'd be guessing in the dark. Frequency distribution, steps and advantages. Now, let's talk about frequency distribution, a method to organize data into classes or intervals and count how often each occurs. Steps to prepare a frequency distribution. Collect raw data. Decide class intervals, example 0 to 10, 10, 20. Tally the data into these intervals. Count frequencies. Create a table with class intervals and their frequencies. Advantages. Makes large data sets manageable. Highlights patterns and trends. Lays the foundation for graphs and statistical analysis. For example, if you have test scores of 50 students, a frequency table quickly shows how many scored between 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and so on. Graphic representation of data. Numbers are powerful, but visuals make them unforgettable. That's where graphic representation comes in. Advantages of graphical representation. Makes data easy to understand. Saves time. Helps compare trends. Appeals to visual learners. Let's explore two key types. 1. Histogram. Used for continuous data. Bars touch each other. Shows frequency of data in intervals. Example, distribution of heights in a class. 2. Frequency polygon. A line graph connecting midpoints of histogram bars. Useful for comparing multiple data sets. Easier to interpret trends and peaks. Construction tip. To draw a frequency polygon, first find the midpoint of each class interval, plot the frequency at each midpoint, and connect the dots with straight lines. Don't forget to close the polygon by adding imaginary classes at both ends with zero frequency. In conclusion, statistics helps us to understand the world through data. Frequency distribution organizes that data. And graphs like histograms and polygons bring it to life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 𝗔𝗟 TV for more educational content. Thanks for watching.